Space. Here's an idea. We could be a spacefaring civilization. We usually talk about going to space, or regularly watch videos of rockets being launched with the latest satellite, but we never stop and think about where we could potentially be in terms of space exploration. Many people wonder why we're not doing more, but it's easy to see why. In the 60s, the Apollo missions that landed men on the moon cost around $150 billion in today's dollars. In 2020, NASA's budget is about $22 billion, which renders any attempt by NASA to do anything major in space virtually impossible, financially speaking. In comparison, the military's budget is around $720 billion. Just imagine if NASA had the US military budget. On a more global scale, let's imagine that all governments in the world came together with a mission to explore space. All countries putting their best people and resources into a single common goal. We could do amazing things. We could have bases on the moon, land on Mars, have thousands of people living not only on a much larger international space station, but also in massive bases throughout the solar system sooner than you can imagine. And it's not like we can't do it, because given all the technology, resources, and ingenuity that we have as a species, it wouldn't be hard for us to achieve that. In a short span of time, we could be a Star Trek-like society. It would help us address fundamental questions about our place in the universe, lead us to expand technology, create new industries, foster a peaceful connection as a global community, and solidify our continuity as a species. As a planet, we are definitely not focusing on the truly important things we should be focusing on. Space exploration and space technological development is only one of the major things we should be focusing on. This is definitely something we need to change so we can all have a better society.